Are you ready to take your Super Bowl game to the next level? Well, get ready to unlock your winning potential with nature's best herbs. These secret ingredients have been used for centuries to give athletes an edge on the field. First up, we have ginseng. This powerful herb improves stamina, giving you the energy to dominate the game from start to finish. It boosts endurance and enhances focus, keeping you sharp and on top of your game. Next, we have turmeric. This golden spice is known for its anti-inflammatory properties, reducing muscle soreness and promoting quick recovery, so you can bounce back faster and keep tackling those opponents with full force. Then we have echinacea. This herb is a natural immune booster, helping you stay healthy throughout the season. It strengthens your body's defenses, ensuring you stay in top condition and avoid those nasty colds that could derail your Super Bowl dreams. And let's not forget about ashwagandha. This adaptogenic herb reduces stress and anxiety, helping you stay calm and focused under pressure. With your mind clear and your nerves steady, you'll make those winning plays when it matters most. Last but certainly not least, we have holy basil. This herb is a powerhouse when it comes to mental clarity and focus. It sharpens your mind and enhances cognitive function, so you can make split-second decisions with precision and accuracy. So as you gear up for the Super Bowl, remember to harness the power of these amazing herbs. Boost your stamina with ginseng, recover faster with turmeric, strengthen your immune system with echinacea, conquer stress with ashwagandha, and achieve mental clarity with holy basil. Unlock your winning potential and make this Super Bowl your best one yet. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tricks.